You can sue one copycat with 3 patents? Wow, that's a lot of money. Hello everyone, welcome to Chess IP. I'm Johnny. Should you get a patent in China? As an IP lawyer in China, my answer is 100% yes. And here is the 3 reasons why you definitely should do it. Reason 1. Cheap. Why people does not patent a product? I guess the main reason is about high cost.
You pay for, but realistically it's going to cost in the low 5 figures, even $10,000 to get a utility patent.
Especially small business owner and the startup team. But compare the money you need to pay in US, EU, or other regions. In China, the cost of patent application is much less. Well, how much would it cost you? The filing fees mainly consist of 2 parts, the official fees and the attorney fees. If you look at the chart, now you have the assumption about how much money you're going to pay at the beginning. Even include the small fees in the later period, such as patent examination fees and the translation fees. The total cost is still low. It's around 1/3 to 1/2 for US patent or EU patent. If you already had a patent, mainly you need to pay is the translation fee and the official fees. Reason 2. Effective and necessary. And this is a time of a streaming media, and any valuable improvement inventions can be seen by people around the world. And when people see a productive idea, they tend to steal it. If you ignore the infringement in China, it will assume your global market, and this is not a joke. We have witnessed so many excellent products flashed and disappeared. Because they can't stop the copycats in China. There is a reason why China is called the world factory. China had a complete supply chain to produce and sell, especially for small commodities. So, if you don't have a patent in China, you won't have the legal right to claim. For like Purple Pillow, they still doesn't have a granted patent in China, and this is the price of Purple sell. And this is the price for copycats. Almost 1 million such products was sold during the last year. Can you do the math? Right now, with the Chinese patent, you can stop it. To B business mainly occurs on e-commerce platforms, Chinese version of Amazon. It's very effective to file online infringing cell link complaints, and the platforms will react within 3 days while you stay at your home. For 2C business, since June 1st, 2021, Supreme People's Court of China have raised the amount of the compensation of patent infringement cases, which means the Chinese government support patent right holder to claim more compensations when against big sellers and your manufacturers offline. Besides, you can get additional income by settlement or patent authorization. So it's very likely for you to move into a bigger house in a short time if you know the rules. Reason 3. Easy. Unlike patent laws in US, the patent laws in China allows inventors to apply 3 types of patent: invention, utility modes, and design patent. Utility modes patent is one special type in Chinese patent system. The examination during the granting progress is relatively easy than the traditional invention patent, so it's way much easy to get granted. And if you run business small like a CNC, injection molding, or the other small product with the constructive changes, you may get a utility mode patent in China, while you may not get it in your region. Also, applying a utility patent is a fast way to get granted, which took around 6 to 10 months. Since June 1st, 2021, for design patent, you can apply for a partial design in China, which means that you can protect your design idea more specifically, just like what Apple did for AirPods. You can sue one copycat with 3 patents? Wow, that's a lot of money. That's 3 reasons for why you definitely should get a patent in China. Hope it could get you a better understanding. Please leave a comment below, and we will share more IP information in other videos. See you next time.